Good evening and welcome to the news. I'm Dinesh Trentle. Here are the top stories of the day. Nigeria to honour Prime Minister Narendra Modi with the Grand Commander of the Order of the Niger Award. National Press Day celebrated at the State Convention Centre, Shillong. Congress leader Ronnie Lingdo expresses concern over the turmoil in Nehu. And Gurmanchila announces that UDP is gearing up for the upcoming MDC elections. Let's look at the news in detail. Nigeria will honour Prime Minister Narendra Modi with the Grand Commander of the Order of the Niger, GCON. He will be the second foreign dignitary to receive this honour. Queen Elizabeth is the only foreign dignitary to be awarded with GCON back in 1969. This will be the 17th such international award being conferred to Prime Minister Modi by a country. The Prime Minister Modi reached Abuja last night on a two-day visit to Nigeria. National Press Day was celebrated yesterday at the State Convention Centre, where Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma addressed the gathering, emphasizing the government's commitment to supporting journalists in various ways, including financial assistance. The event was jointly organized by the Shillong Press Club, the Directorate of Information and Public Relations, and the Meghalaya Editors and Publishers Association. In his speech, Chief Minister Sangma highlighted the government's intention to foster better coordination between the press and the DIPR by establishing a small committee for this purpose. Sangma also shared details of the government's welfare schemes for journalists.
We used to give 1 lakh to the family of a deceased journalist. We have decided, and I'm happy to announce that we are increasing that from 1 lakh to 5 lakhs. So 5 lakhs will be provided to the family under extreme hardship on account of the death of the journalist. We were giving 50,000 to journalists who suffer permanent disability. We have increased that amount, and now we have increased it to 3 lakhs. From 50,000, we're increasing that to 3 lakhs. So 3 lakhs will be provided to the journalists in case of permanent disability, rendering the journalists incapable of earning a livelihood. There was also an amount of 50,000 to journalists in case of extreme hardship due to illness. We have also decided that we will increase that amount from 50,000 to now 3 lakhs to be provided for treatment for different major ailments.
Congress leader Ronnie Lingdo has expressed concern over the turmoil in Nehu, saying the institute should be a place of academics and not a place to strengthen anyone's ideology. Lingdo lamented the problems that started cropping up in Nehu as some political parties tried to capture the institution to further their ideology by making appointments of people from RSS and BJP background. He also lauded the students for raising their voices against such malpractices in the institute.
After the BJP came to power, because Nehu is a central university, and people was told that people who are not qualified, to hold the posts have been appointed just because they belong to a particular organization, the RSS or the BJP. Since the BJP came into power, all this turmoil started. Earlier there was no such turmoil. Okay, so because for the BJP, they will try to capture any institution to further their ideology. So I think the students of Nehu have done a wise thing by raising this issue. Now, how can you appoint a sub-registrar who are not qualified?
Clarion MLA Gurmanchila announced that the United Democratic Party is gearing up for the upcoming MDC elections, with district leaders granted the freedom to select candidates. He noted that the party has yet to finalize candidates for a few constituencies in Jaintia Hills, but assured that all 6 current MDCs in the Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council will be given tickets to contest again. Declining to disclose specific names, Gurman said that the party's approach to engage with voters, urging them to consider not just promises but the past work and contributions of their leaders.
From the party, they give us the freedom, especially in my area, in my constituency, they give us the freedom to find out the candidates. So for that, we do have our own presidents in our district. So the president, he has done his homework and he has completed the process also. So we have a candidate, but there are few constituencies that needs to be completed the process. So as of now, we cannot reveal exactly all those new candidates, but the existing MDC, all of them are candidates.
The Defence Research and Development Organisation, also known as DRDO, conducted a successful flight trial of India's first long-range hypersonic missile from Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Island off the coast of Odisha today. This hypersonic missile is designed to carry various payloads for ranges greater than 1,500 kilometers for the armed forces. In a social media post, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh described the flight trial as a historic achievement that has put India in the group of select nations having capabilities of such critical and advanced military technologies. To enhance the understanding and effectiveness of the National Food Security Act 2013, the first regional camp on National Food Security Act 2013 for Khasi Jainte Hills region was held at Shangpung village. The camp was organized by the Office of the Deputy Commissioner Supply, West Jainte Hills District. Minister in charge of Food, Civil Supplies and Consumer Affairs, Kamingwon Mbon, along with Chairman of the State Food Corporation, P.S. Thankyu, attended the regional camp. Mbon, in his address, said the purpose and primary goal of organizing the regional camp was to educate the public, especially the beneficiaries, about their rights under the National Food Security Act 2013 and also to make the public understand the importance of linking their Aadhaar cards with their ration cards. Elon Musk's SpaceX will launch India's heavy communication satellite GSAT-20 from Cape Canaveral in the United States on November 19th. The Indian Space Research Organisation Chairman S. Somanath has said that SpaceX's Falcon 9 will launch ISRO's GSAT-20, also called GSAT-N2, on November 19th. The satellite is expected to remain in operation for 14 years. It will provide vital services across India, including internet connectivity for remote areas. Weighing 4,700 kilograms, GSAT-20 is one of India's heaviest communication satellites. Filmmaker Ashutosh Gowarikar has been appointed as the chairperson of the International Jury for the 2024 International Film Festival of India. Gowarikar, known for films such as Jodha Akbar, Lagan and Swadesh, said he is honoured to be associated with the prestigious film festival that is scheduled to be held in Goa from November 20th to 28th. The filmmaker said that cinema is constantly evolving with the times and there's no better place to witness this evolution than at a film festival. Murab village, located in West Jainte Hills and falling under Tadlaskain CNRD block, has seen significant development through various schemes under the Pradhan Mantri AAS Yam. Here's a report.
2023-24, 16 households in the village benefited from the Pradhan Mantri AAS Yam scheme, compared to 8 households in various years. Secretary VEC Srimati Daimon Talang highlighted the role of the VEC in providing support to individuals by covering wages for 45 days through job cards, assisting with necessary documents for benefits and monitoring work progress to ensure financial assistance is received. One beneficiary's family, Heibormi Perto, was selected for the PMAYG scheme in 2023-2024 and received an amount of Rs 1,30,000. The construction of their new house, funded by the PMAY with support from MGNREGS for 95 days, the new house featuring 4 rooms, a kitchen and shelter for the family and the 5 children stand as a symbol of progress and support from the government. Perto are thankful for the support received and are determined to make the most of this opportunity to create a better life for the family. The family expressed gratitude towards the central government, the state government, village leaders and village organization for their contributions towards completing the construction. Bureau Report, DD News, Meghalaya.
And now for a look at the weather. The minimum temperature was 10.3 degrees Celsius with the maximum temperature at 20.6 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity in the morning was 71%, rising marginally to 74% in the evening. The forecast tells us dry weather is likely at most places. Shallow to moderate fog is likely at isolated places. And now for a quick recap of today's top stories. Nigeria to honour Prime Minister Narendra Modi with the Grand Commander of the Order of the Niger Award. National Press Day celebrated at the State Convention Centre in Shillong. Congress leader Ronnie Lingdaw expresses concern over the turmoil in Nehru. And Kurmanshila announces that UDP is gearing up for the upcoming MDC elections. That's all the news we have for you today. Thank you for watching.